Governor Larry Hogan says there are now 107 confirmed cases of the coronavirus in Maryland. One person has died, and the new cases involve a 5-year-old girl from Howard County. Hello, I'm Lynn Bowie. That little girl is the first child diagnosed with the coronavirus here in our state. Moments ago, Governor Larry Hogan announced changes to transportation and even more closures in Maryland. WJZ investigator Mike Halgren is live at the State House with more on this fight against the coronavirus pandemic. Mike?
Lynn, good afternoon. The governor said he's trying to avoid shutting down society, but people aren't heeding warnings, so he's closing down more places, from mass transit to the general public to shopping malls. There has been an 88% increase in the number of positive cases in just the past 2 days.
I know that all Marylanders join me in praying for his family and his loved ones.
Governor Larry Hogan began his update with a somber tone, announcing the state's first coronavirus death. A man in Prince George's County with underlying health conditions, the first in the state to get the disease through community transmission. He also announced the first child in Maryland to become infected.
Among today's new cases is a 5-year-old girl in Howard County.
To stop the spread, Maryland will close all shopping malls by 5 o'clock tonight and mandate only essential travel on public transit. Also, BWI Marshall's airport terminal will be closed to everyone except ticketed passengers and airport workers.
Some people are treating this like a vacation or a spring break, with parties and cookouts and large gatherings at some of our parks. Let me be very clear. If you are engaged in this type of activity, you are in violation of state law, and you are endangering the lives of your fellow Marylanders.
The governor also talked about people in Maryland supporting one another during this crisis, and the state has launched the Maryland Unites website so people can see how to volunteer and help their neighbors.
And I just ask that you continue to pray for each other and for our state and for our nation in the days ahead.
The University System of Maryland will make a decision on whether they'll cancel face-to-face classes for the remainder of the semester. That will happen tonight. And I want to run down where some of these latest cases are. In Baltimore City now, they're up to 8, Baltimore County 12, Howard County 16, Harford County 3, and Anne Arundel County 5. We'll continue to follow updates here from the State House. For now, we're in Annapolis. Mike Halgren, WJZ.
Right now, American Red Cross workers are struggling to collect blood donations. The organization says more than 2,000 blood drives have been canceled. It's in need of healthy donors, especially type O. For information on where to donate, go to WJZ.com. Governor Larry Hogan also announced today he will sign an order to allow restaurants and bars to deliver alcohol and offer carry-out alcohol. Earlier this week, he ordered all bars and restaurants to close their dine-in services. Stay with WJZ as we follow the latest on the coronavirus pandemic. We have everything you need to know posted at WJZ.com.